What's up, everybody? Today on Robeytech, it's all hands on deck, the Steam Deck that is, with everything you need to know about Valve's portable gaming system for the week of August 29th. Hey everyone, if you've got a Steam Deck, or want a Steam Deck, or ordered a Steam Deck, then pay close attention because there's some tantalizing bits we've discovered. First up, Valve's recently announced that the Steam Deck will soon, and we say soon, arrive in Japan, South Korea, Taiwan, and Hong Kong. Now, we haven't been able to find an official price for each region, but the $399 version of the Steam Deck would come in at roughly 54,800 Japanese yen at today's exchange rate for reference. Now, this is huge news for Steam and PC gaming, especially in Japan, since gaming is predominantly handheld consoles like phones or like the Nintendo Switch. Adding the Steam Deck to the mix could be a great way for Steam to grab a foothold in Japan's gaming industry by making PC gaming accessible on the go. Now, we're also curious how well the device will perform in terms of sales in South Korea, since gamers there are massive PC gaming fans. Right now, though, they typically play games at local gaming LANs called PC bangs, or PC rooms as it would be translated in English. I feel like PC bangs just doesn't sound right. See, they do this rather than playing at home on a personal PC. While it's well known that PC gaming in South Korea is popular, especially among the esports scene, mobile gaming makes up a significant portion of the gaming industry, and there's no signs of that slowing down either here or anywhere else in the world. Now, could the Steam Deck take a foothold in the region given its size, portability, and power? Well, we're excited to see how sales perform in each of these regions when they come out. Now, Valve hasn't released any information yet on the release date, but we do know that Valve is planning a very large presence at the Tokyo Game Show starting on September 15th with a large hands-on section for the Steam Deck. So, hey, if you guys are watching from over there, konnichiwa, and I hope you're excited to get your hands on one of these as well. Though I'm guessing the line will be long over there as well. So that's not all the news we have for today. I mean, that would be a very short video. Along with the news that the Steam Deck would be released in Japan, Valve posted a bit of a guide to the current version of the Steam Deck. In that guide, Valve says that the Steam Deck will be a multi-generational product line, hinting that there will be likely a Steam Deck 2 of sorts in the future. Yes! I mean, there are some things I'd love to see added onto this. And if you want to know more on what we'd like to see, check out our whole Steam Deck 101, which should be live as of Thursday or Friday. Now, Steam said, we will learn from the Steam community and Robeytech. In fact, they specifically, okay, maybe they didn't, but what they did say is that they're going to learn about new uses for their hardware that they haven't thought of yet, and that they're going to build a new version to be even more open and capable than the first version of the Steam Deck ever was. And let's be honest, this thing is pretty dang awesome. But what does more open and capable actually mean? Will we see interchangeable or upgradable components like what Linus did to completely ruin this thing? Will we be able to use software outside of Steam apps? Could this become an actual mobile handheld PC and take the place of tablets or laptops in the gaming space? Considering that there are more than just games available on Steam, could software and tools be extended to the Steam Deck? Now, earlier this year, we heard from the designers on the Steam Deck that they were pretty sure this device would be around for multiple generations in an interview with GamesRadar. So this falls in line with what they said back in February. Now, while this is leading a lot of people to speculate on the future of the device, with some saying, you know what, let's just wait to the next iteration, a sequel to this mobile PC gaming device is probably in the distant future. So, I don't know, don't wait. I mean, the line on this is already long enough, and who knows how much longer you could be waiting for this. Now, as cool as it would be for a better, faster, stronger version of the Steam Deck, the chip shortage is already making it difficult to get your hand on one as it is, much less allow for the development of a sequel. See, this would be the first product in Valve's physical hardware arsenal that would be getting a version 2. So that's big news in and of itself. The Steam controller, Valve Index, and Link haven't gotten a follow-up. So this is a rare instance of Valve committing to a generational improvement and hopefully shows that they are serious about getting into the mobile PC gaming space. And frankly, teaching other people to do the same thing. Because that was the whole thing too, kind of like Microsoft, this was supposed to be a teaching device for other PC manufacturers. And you know what, honestly, there are ones like 1xPlayer and Neo and the others that are starting to actually release really cool ones like this. Does anybody remember the Alienware one? That looked rad too. Come on, Alienware, let's get in on this. Now, another interesting piece of news that came out of the announcement is that Steam Deck UI will eventually be coming to the desktop user experience. That's right, Steam Deck on PC. Are we surprised? See, it's not really Steam Deck. What it is it's the user interface from the Steam Deck that will eventually replace the big picture mode in the desktop version of Steam. Now, as per usual, Valve plans to push updates out in stages, similar to the feature updates they've released in the past. And come on, big picture hasn't been updated in a while, and frankly, it works really, really well. Now, the intent behind this is to improve the usage of controllers and regular TV screens so you don't have to sit at your desktop in front of a gaming monitor. See, and frankly, they've learned a lot, and now the controller experience is going to be primo based on this. If you think about using a big picture like mode on like a big LG OLED screen or whatever it was, it's just going to be magic. So despite all these updates, leaving Steam Deck users and soon-to-be owners are still in the dark when it comes to the release date for the Steam Deck dock. Do you guys remember that? I was excited about it, but where is it? Now, see, it's similar to the dock of the Nintendo Switch. The Steam Deck dock will allow you to game to a higher resolution with an HDMI 2.0 port or a DisplayPort 1.4 output and connect a mouse and keyboard while keeping your device constantly powered. Does anybody remember like the Windows Phone and the Continuum dock? Yeah, it's kind of like that. See, it was originally planned to be released in the spring of this year, but that's definitely come and gone. Considering how hot it's been outside, I'm keenly aware of how far we are past the initial release window. See, the release was delayed indefinitely due to the, shedding a tear here, chip shortages and COVID. It seems like that's the story of the past 2 years when it comes to anything tech related. So it's gonna be a while before you can get your hands on the dock that give you more functionality, and with the chip shortages probably lasting another year or two, there's no telling when it'll actually be available. But come on Steam, let's get it out. Well, that's it for our Steam Deck news for this week. Let me know what you think about the Steam Deck in the comments below. Now, if you live in one of those regions that will be getting a release added soon, let me know if you're planning on picking one up and how long you think you're gonna have to wait. What games are you playing on your Steam Deck right now? Are you waiting for version 2? How sad does the chip shortage make you when you're waiting to get your hands on that dock for maximum portable but not portable PC gaming? I'd love to know all that down in the comments below. Now, while you're down there, make sure you slap that subscribe button, whip that like button, and gingerly press all of those buttons to turn on notifications so you don't miss another video. Now be sure to check out our live stream right here on YouTube or over at twitch.tv/Robeytech every Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And we have some really incredible upcoming builds and video streams. Oh, and before you go, why not head over to your favorite social media platform and give us a follow. We're on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, all at Robeytech. Or you can head over to our Discord at discord.gg/Robeytech. So drop us a follow so we can see all the sweet PC and gaming goodness we have going on. See, we're always uploading new content. Check out this fire meme from our Instagram. Or hey, how about this fire build from our Instagram? Or how about this awesome build video or review video from our YouTube? Oh, here's one from Twitter as well. See, you don't want to miss out on any of this stuff. Anyway, that's it for us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.